Hi everyone, welcome back to Beam Through Revit tutorial. Okay, for this session, I'm going to show you a little bit about ID internal fit out for the double story house over here. Okay, so let's start with the living room area here. So this is our model. Okay, it's almost there. So we need to model the furniture now. Then from the online here, we can see that we have a TV cabinet full height to up to the ceiling, and then butt to the ceiling pelmet here. Then there will be some space to keep your curtain behind the cabinet maybe. But according to your layout plan over here, you can go back to ground floor. This is our ground floor. We can see that our TV cabinet is the measurement. We can get the rough measurement by using the measurement tool here. About we can see it by 1 feet, which is 300 mm. Okay, actually that's a very small cabinet. Maybe we put it at 350, so we can have some space at least for our storage. Okay. So we come back to here, it is butt to the wall, but according to the picture on the here, you can see that ceilings actually can be high inside the cabinet. Okay, we can take our own measurement here without taking care of the layout plan. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 panel with recess and the back panel of the TV cabinet. Maybe we will put some LED light behind later, and then we will have a TV console over here. Okay, so 4 panel here. So we will do the family modeling instead of finding some resources, parametric furniture family from the online resources, because you can never get it, or you can never get an exact furniture that suit to your need. Okay, so it's better to equip yourself with the skills of modeling, so you can change the model of furniture layout plan according to what you need from case to case. Okay, so the basic of family modeling knowledge is very important in Revit learning. Okay, so we come back to here, we can measure our pelmet. This is our curtain pelmet. Roughly the width is about 269. Okay, so we come back to here, go to the ground floor. We can even adjust height of ceiling, the view range. We come to the view range to see where's our ceiling. So this is our ceiling. Then we can get the exact measurement from here. Maybe we leave some gap here. Come back to here. There's okay. Leave no gap here. Maybe it's 20 mm gap. Always leave some gap so you can have some tolerance on your workmanship. Okay. So 1 inch, 25 mm. Then we measure from here up to here. Just give a dimension. It's 2916. Maybe we get it. 29 will do. Okay, 29. Then our height will be flip to here, go to the view, 29, and the height will be we miss out some vertical ceiling over here. Yeah, the height will be 28. So now you can see that we actually can omit this skirting here. If you know that you're going to build a TV cabinet over here, so you don't need to have skirting behind here. I think this is a showroom. Most of it is built by partition, so you can't see actually the skirting of the wall. But in actual situation, you will always see skirtings around this is a skirting around the floor and wall finishes to eliminate the termination issue between the wall finishes and the floor. Without the skirting, you can easily see that there's unevenness in between the tile lines and the skin coat. Yeah, because this is not partition. Most likely it's a brick wall which is complete with plastering and skim coat, that's bound to have some unevenness on the wall finishes. Okay. Then if you have a skirting, then you can totally eliminate the unevenness issue of the joint in between the joint. Yeah. So come back to here. We're going to have our family modeling. Let's go to new family. Then we can always start with our generic model. Always start with generic model. Go to metric, generic model. Okay. Then open it. Then first of all we set some guideline. We want something 29, yeah, 2900. Then make sure the line is snapped in the middle. Okay, this will be the guideline of your furniture modeling. Okay, this is with the center line. Then I'm gonna offset it to 350. So this will be your cabinet. Then create extrusion. First of all, create extrusion at the base here, the base of the cabinet. Let's turn around and see. There's always a base under the cabinet. Yeah, maybe it's not big enough, but there will be a gap. Maybe it's about 20 mm. No, offset is extrusion. Extrusion about 20 mm. So this base 3D view like this. Okay, and come back to here. So now is the mathematic 2900 divided by 6. It will be 480. Yeah, 480. Then we come back to here. Go to the extrusion. Then we're going to create the panel. Yeah, we can just create a solid will do, because you're not going to open up the cabinet to see what's inside. Yeah, so therefore we can go to the front view to model it straight away from here. So first of all, where is our 28? So 28 is here. Then we're going to 29. Okay, back to here. So this will be the cabinet behind. Yeah, then will be a TV console, roughly about 400 height, maybe 450 height. Okay, then the width of the panel, which is 480. Yeah, 480. You have a first panel, then second panel. Okay, then here you're going to close it up. This, then the top part here, I'm going to have something like let's come back to here. Is slightly lower than a door. Maybe it's 2000. Okay, so 2000. So offset about 2000 is somewhere here. So this will act as your opening for your TV. Okay, come back to here. So we complete delete, then here finish. Okay, then from the left we're going to complete the extrusion. Come to here. Okay, then this I guess your TV cabinet. Okay, then the back panel, come back to the front here. We're going to create the extrusion. The back panel, just a little bit extrusion will do. Finish. Then from the left here, of course, I'm going to have negative 25. Here will be 0. So 1 inch back panel. Okay. Of course, it's going to have a different color. And the 3D views looks like this. Change to shaded. It's like this. Okay. Then you can start to model your now. Come back to here. you can exclude this part because you have different material finishes. Okay, so we come back to the front. I'm going to exclude that bottom part here. Just delete here. Okay, not this one. I'm going to modify this. Edit. Then this one we delete this. Back to here. Okay, we delete this one. Then close up here and here. Finish. Okay. Then the 3D view will be like this. Yeah. Then come back to the front view again. Going to create another extrusion. Then cover up here. Finish. Then from the left view, to make sure the extrusion is until here. Okay, this will be a different finishes. Then from the front view again, or we straight away can go to the back view to model it, create extrusion. Now going to have some lines over here. Let's pick up some lines here. Pick up the lines here, then we're going to offset a little bit, like 10 mm. Okay, make sure it's not copy, yeah, so I'll offset it a bit, 10 mm, so when you open the cabinet it won't straight away scratch to the ceiling, yeah. So here we don't need that, so just close it like this, close it like this. So here is our panel. Close up. Okay, delete this one. Then we have some gap, 10 mm, because it's automatically snapped already. 10 mm here. So it's done for the panel cover. So front view or the left view. Okay, make sure it's up to here. Up to here, then here. Okay, it's negative 360, 10 mm thickness will do, yeah. Then front view, create extrusion again, extrusion here, leave some gap here. Okay, 480. Cover like this. So remember to leave some gap here, like just like 10 mm. So later on you can see some gap for your cabinet cover like this. Okay. So then copy, then just copy to here like this. Then just make it a little bit to the middle. Then it's sufficient enough, yeah. Finish. Then from the left view here, I'm going to modify the extrusion. Come to here. So the 3D views looks like this. Very quick, you can get your cabinet. Then front view here. Copy this one. Go to the below here. Then the cover, one by one, snap to the top like this. Okay, then 3D view look like this. So now here you're going to have a different material, so you assign it to the parameters. Remember, material and finishes. In the property palette here, click this small button, then this will be the wood finish. Just assign the parameters without assign the material in family environment. Yeah, this is just a little bit of tips for you. Then behind this will be the white color of cabinet. Yeah, click on here. So white. Laminated wood. Okay, finish. Then it's a back panel. Okay, back panel, click on here, this assign the material, this back panel. Okay, then you load inside to your project. Just remember to save wherever you want. Just save here. Family. Just save over here, which is the TV console. Okay, save. Then load it back to your project. Then just place it here. Okay, mesh here. Okay, now come back to the 3D view. So this is your TV cabinet. Yeah, so without assigning anything yet, you can try to assign a material here. Yeah, click on this one, then edit type. Now you have material parameter here, then click on wood finish. Try to assign the material in the project environment. So wood finish, click somewhere here. We have 3 dots over here. Then you will be able to access your material browser. Yeah, then find some wood finishes like bamboo. Move bamboo up, then we use this bamboo, apply. Okay, then white laminated wood, click on here, then we just white clad. Yeah, okay, then the back panel is black in color. Then you can find something like black. Okay, we have something like black plastic. We can use that here. Try apply. Okay, now here is your TV console. Very quick, nice. You can get your TV console without wondering where to get family from online resources. Maybe you can spend your half of your day, then end up without finding anything. So it's better to model it by yourself. Yeah, especially when you go into the kitchen like this here. Different kitchen have different arrangement, different kind of modular finishes, like for the kitchen cabinet and finishes. So it can be modeled by using the family editor. Here just a few extrusion, different dimension of extrusion. And here also the same. Okay, just using the same method, you can get your kitchen. Maybe the next session we are going to model the kitchen cabinet over here and with the wall panel. Okay, that to get you into more understanding of using the family editor to create your own furniture. So before that, remember to click on here. This is just a generic model. You're going to assign the family category by clicking this and furniture. Yeah, okay, then load it back to your family, to your project. Okay, override it. So okay, now done. So this is end of this session. Very simple and quick because I'm just showing you to how to start to model your first furniture. Yeah, thank you.